Block 37 shopping mall here in Chicago. Let's just ride this one. I don't care where it's going. Four is the highest.
You can't go to 5. You have to go to 4 to go to 5.
This is the street.那边爬不下去找 VR 光能找，看电影 AMC。
我以前推荐应该第一次看多一点，我们这样子。
然后49块钱的概率的。
18。
Bring us down to beef. While we're up top. Oh, these have the weird, only the middle percent.
Oh wow.
Good light? Oh, that's just the light from the bottom. That's cool. It's cool, but...
Nice. Top to bottom, non-stop. And it up here.